this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So yeah, thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing if I can figure out how to do it. But it's definitely going to come in handy. So it's the Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller, so it saves you using your mobile phone. How tiny is that? So it's 249 grams. Wow. That's super cool. This is gonna be so cool. So we've got the drone, and this is the controller. Sweet Christmas has come for me, and that's, yeah, this is sweet as. Righto, so let's just unwrap this bad boy. So there was an extra pack with extra blades and stuff, but I didn't get that yet. These should just flip straight out. How cool is this? And the last thing I want to do is break it. They're not coming out easily. Righto, they flip that way. So it's got a little shield on there, I guess, for the camera. And there's some plastic over the camera. Wow, the actual camera, wow, it just feels really loose. It's just kind of spinning around there, but hopefully once I turn it on, that'll all fix up. It's really lightweight. Okay, that's all I can do now, guys. I'll charge this little bad boy up, and yeah, I'll come back to this. So just on the controller, it's got these little tiny toggles here So they obviously just screw in like so. So that's pretty good, so you don't lose them. Yeah, and that feels like a really good controller, nice and solid. Righto, so one last thing in the box we've got. Cool, so USB charging cables. Oh, okay. So you do get some spare blades, so that's good. 2 sets, that'll come in handy. That, oh yeah, that's the little screwdriver to undo the blades. Start guide and some manuals. So that's it. That is the unboxing of it. So just in the manual, so there's a quick start guide, and there's a little code there to scan, and that'll download the DJI Fly app. Charge to activate battery before first use. Yep, righto. There is not much more I can do now before we've got to charge this bad boy up.